Tired of Facebook? Whether it's for your peace of mind, digital detox, or privacy concerns, deleting your account in 2025 is easier than you think. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to permanently delete your Facebook account on both Android and iPhone, clearly and effortlessly. Let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. If you're using Android, tap your profile picture at the top right. On iPhone, it's located at the bottom right. Tap on it. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. At the top of the page, tap on See More in Account Center. Now scroll down to Personal Details and tap on it. Next, go to Account Ownership and Control. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Facebook account, then tap on Delete Account. Tap Continue. Facebook might ask for a reason. You can pick anything or skip it. Tap Continue again. You'll now see warnings about losing Messenger access or downloading your data. Scroll down and tap Continue. Finally, enter your Facebook password. Tap Continue, and then tap Delete Account. Your deletion request has been submitted. Remember, Facebook gives you 30 days to reactivate before the account is gone forever. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.